Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the laptop and starting the update immediately. Plug the laptop into power and make sure battery won't interrupt the process. Updates can pause if power drops. Once done, create a quick restore point or copy critical files to an external drive so you can roll back if needed. Now open Settings, go to Update and Security and click Check for updates. This starts the download and shows required restarts. Once updates appear, let the download run and keep the connection stable. Wi-Fi is fine, but Ethernet reduces interruptions. You can choose Schedule the restart for a convenient time or click Restart Now if you're ready. Major feature updates require longer offline time. During install, you'll see download progress, then installation, then several configuring cycles. This is normal. Make sure to save work before the restart, because apps will close and the system will reboot multiple times. Finish by letting the laptop complete final configuration and sign back in. Windows may run post-update optimizations for a few minutes. After that, check Settings Windows Update View Update History to confirm successful installs and note version numbers. If an update fails, run the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter and retry. If issues persist, use System Restore to go back or boot to safe mode to uninstall the problematic update. Keep the update error code handy for targeted solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.